You cannot indict the president, nor can you issue criminal process with regard to a case involving the president.
If you believe Rudy Giuliani, it's a firm no, they can't indict Trump. But arguments have gone back and forth for almost half a century. And this Nixon-era document is key. A 1973 Justice Department memo that looked at criminal prosecutions of the highest office holders was clear. There is no express provision in the Constitution that immunizes a president, but an indictment would interfere with the president's unique official duties, most of which cannot be performed by someone else. And constitutionally, only Congress should be accorded the power to interrupt the presidency.
It does put all the eggs in the congressional basket, that since the people of the United States elect the president, they think it's only fitting that the legislature of the United States be the one to potentially oust him.
There is the president.
But in 45 years, a few events may have changed minds.
Well, when the president does it, that means that it is not illegal.
First Nixon, then Clinton. Two presidential scandals that led to Supreme Court decisions that no president is above the law. Then in 2000, another DOJ memo reinforcing the merits of impeachment because that process lay in the hands of duly elected and politically accountable officials rather than those of a jury. This could be Mueller's view, though there could be presidential peril even without an indictment.
Most people don't know what an indictment is, and he can do quite a bit of damage if, to the president just by saying that the president committed a crime, whether or not the president's indicted.
And keep in mind, all this protection is for a president in office. Once he leaves, it's a brand new game.